Hey, what's up, YouTube? Let me show you my fasciation. Now, for those of you who don't know what a fasciation is when a plant makes a genetic mistake and it just kind of waddles out of control. And so you get this weird formation. Now, there are people who actually take these fasciations in plants and they cut them and then they grow them from the root. They get it to root and then they grow it from there and then they turn them into bonsais. So I've seen some really amazing looking artwork using these fasciations, but let me show you this one I got here. Happened to notice. And here it is. Right there. Now this is supposed to be a cucumber plant, I believe. And look at this thing. And you can see what it looks like. It looks like a big flat ribbon all the way up, and then you get this bizarre cluster of flowers. Now, if you could get something in here to actually take, you'll probably get a mutated fruit. It'll look absolutely bizarre, like something from a sci-fi movie. But as you can see, see this fasciation, it wasn't always like that. Or maybe it was. You can see it's over here. It's split off somewhere. It didn't start off like that. Like here's the bottom of the plant. Like here's the bottom is normal. And then it went up, and then at some point over here, at some point it decided to start splitting off, like it was attempting to split off, and it didn't split, and then it turns into this ribbon. And the ribbon is a very common form of this fasciation. You know, now that's what it looks like up close. You can see the flower clusters are you can see like the flower clusters are all kind of demented. They're coming out in lumps, and of course the very head of the snake, as you look at it, and the very head of it looks like this. Now this is not Fukushima radiation or any of that stuff. This is normal. This happens. It will always happen in nature. And I've seen some incredible fasciations. So, just giving you a good look at it. See how it's like a ribbon? That ribbon is very, very common in fasciations. So that's a very common feature with these particular kind of... Now, this is a mutation, so if you could get this mutation to produce a fruit, an actual fruit, and get seed from it, you could potentially get that to reproduce, and you'll get like a consistent form of a mutation. It may not be like this per se, but it might form something else. So yeah, you try to get them to fruit, but I wouldn't depend on it. But yeah, I got to take a picture of that. Look at that. Alright, so anyway guys, that's it. I just wanted to show you my fasciation. If you like this video, thumb it up, comment below if you've ever seen a fasciation before, and share your experience with it. And that's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.